This one is from Beech Lane. So this Beech Lane one is the easiest way that you can add sewer hose support and make sure you have clean and easy flow. And I installed it and used it in my RV. I'll show you real quick how I do that. Again, just it's held down together with a tie, and you go ahead and pull this all out. You add your sewer hose to it after you've got it laid out on the ground, the path that you want it to follow. It's going to hold on to that, and it's going to keep it, as you see, at a nice angle so that you get good flow and you don't get any clogs, because nobody wants to deal with that when you're out RVing. And that will go to wherever you need to run your drain. So in this case, I just showed you how it works, and that's how it drains out of your RV. Mine just happens to be in the back of our RV, which is always inconvenient because they put the utilities kind of in the middle sometimes it's all the way in the front. This allows you to have that continuous flow, and if you don't get any kinks in your RV, you don't have to worry about pressure and leaks and all that. It's kind of nice. Depending upon the levelness of your yard or RV location, they have some feet that you can get to attach to the bottom of it. This is the addition with the feet, and you can put these in here to even it out on uneven ground, and it keeps it from tipping over. So